Welcome back, guys. Hayden here. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. We have seen a bit of movement over the past couple of days, which is definitely good news if you ask me. And surprisingly, it is corrections and swings to the upside here. You'll notice that we did discuss in yesterday's episode that there's an incoming move right now. Get ready for a possible correction on something like XRP. And to my surprise, we have reluctantly managed to break through it. Definitely something I was not expecting in any front here. You could see we did have this kind of downtrend, lower high, lower low pattern forming, and it's almost like now we have broken out of that, which is quite interesting if you ask me, unless maybe we're still in it and I've just, drawn the fractals wrong. I am not entirely sure. We won't really know that just yet here, so I'm going to delete that top resistance until we get more answers, but we managed to kind of swing to the upside here, which is very surprising if you ask me. I'll leave it how we originally had it here. However, we are now hitting a major resistance, and if anything makes sense here, if we follow the typical technical textbook patterns, we would infer that correction is upon us for a lot of these major cryptocurrencies, even with the small reversal, the four-step reversal that we saw over the past couple of days. But aside from XRP, we do have other cryptos to look at here. If we look at the coin market cap, we look all right. I guess we'll get into that a little bit later, but looking at Solana, we are managing to reverse up. Crazy. Ethereum has seen a major rally up. Very good news. Same thing with Bitcoin. Pretty much all the cryptocurrencies are seeing reversal rallies after the major correction that did take place. So there is definitely a lot to talk about in today's episode. So with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. Now, guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember there are just a couple of days left in this month to take advantage of the $8,100 new user bonus promotion going on BYDFI right now. BYDFI, for those that don't know, is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything and anything you'd want on an exchange is offered on BYDFI, which is epic. More information about the way you can literally earn up to $8,100 completely free will be linked down in the description below, and we'll go over it later on in today's video. But to dive into today's episode here, you can see we've managed to start to reverse. 60 on the fear and greed index, not too bad, 3.5% up, a little higher here, and pretty much green across the board in the past 24 hours here. You almost see, like, after the correction and the consolidation, we're almost seeing this kind of uptrend, this uptick in almost every price here, which is pretty incredible if you ask me. Even ones that are in red are still on an uptrend, which is awesome. Now, what gets even crazier is as we continue to dive into the video and start to look at these cryptos, things get a bit tricky if you ask me. So starting with XRP, looking at the 4-hour, as you guys would know, we can infer, and typically with things like XRP, when we fall, like with correction like this, usually how we enter is how we exit the fractals here. And this is kind of like the eye of the storm in the middle. Things look all right. We're heading upwards. Things look bullish. And then we continue this correction to the downside here. And I think it is going to continue. I don't think we have enough pressure just yet, at least, to confirm that anything bullish is going on. Yeah, we had this reversal. No, we were not expecting it here. But this bear flag typically causes correction here. We can pull up what a bear flag is on these cryptos, and you can see that a bear flag, typically causes correction. You can see just in this photo right here that it's usually how we enter is how we exit. Those are breakout points, and there's obviously consolidation that could swing the prices up, but that doesn't mean it's going to continue to head higher. So jumping now to like the daily charts here, or we'll stick on the 4-hour. You can see how we're now swinging up to retest moving average, and we're also hitting this blue resistance, and that's the big point. So jumping now to the daily charts, you can see how we have these major symmetrical triangles. 1, 2, here's the third one here. We've broken out of it, clear as day, confirmed that. Now we're trying to get back above it. Now, here's the thing. It has been a massive resistance or a massive support in the past. Now that we've broken through it, it's going to act as a resistance. So there is a very high chance we could reject off this and continue our descent to the downside. And that would make the most sense, mainly because the last time we hit it, the reason we are seeing this correction to the upside is mainly because we were nearing oversold. We pretty much retapped oversold. At this point here, where this wick was, when it was actually a complete candle, we were in oversold territory, and now we are causing correction to the upside here. Are we going to rally up all the way to here? It's possible, but I don't think it's likely, and there's more of a chance of correction than anything as far as I can see moving forward. Now, we are going to do these trades on BYDFI because they are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. We have been tracking XRP, as you can see here, for quite a long time, and only now are we starting to reverse out, but there's a lot of resistance riding on this. We have like the 99-day, the 25-day moving average, lots of things that would inevitably cause correction if you ask me, and I think that's what's undoubtedly going to happen, is that we are going to correct lower to the downside. Shockingly broke through it. I wasn't expecting that, but we are in a beautiful textbook bear flag, so I would think nothing but correction would take place afterwards here. Now, we'll take advantage of this and a few other things here, but I want to show you where you can claim that 8,100 here. I know it sounds like a lot and it's mainly for whales, but for those that have smaller increments, you can obviously take advantage of it too. But they have a limited time benefit, get up to $8,100. You can see 2050, 200, 500, 8,000, depending on what you deposit, the amount of trade, but with leverage, you can make that trade extremely quickly here. And they also give a new user reward for just literally completing tasks and earning up to $100. You can see right here the way you can earn up to $100 in free cryptocurrencies for new user rewards. They then have daily benefits across the board for you guys to get every day, which is even cooler. Check this out. Look at all these rewards that you guys can take advantage of here. You can see how BYD points convert to USDT cryptocurrency, and that's super cool. And you can get all these literally for free every single day. Get as much as you can up to here, and then you can convert it to real bonus money, and you can use that bonus money to trade. And lastly, they have a demo trading account, which means you can see where it says demo account. They give you 50K in like demo money to practice your skills. Once you get familiar and you learn the exchange and you're making profitable trades on the demo account, switch on over to the live trading exchange. And then you can go over to Bitcoin and you can see how I have a bonus wallet available. I guess I lost some of it. It expired here, but I have $28. But look at how far 28 goes. With leverage, 28 on a 20x leverage, let's just say, can earn me up to $854 in trading. That's insane. So a little goes an extremely long way with the option of leverage trading cryptocurrency, which is super cool. I guess now it's 44. I don't know why it was 30. Oh, that's because I have a trade open. Silly me. But anywho, I mean, I got that super wrong too. I was not expecting the markets to break out of here. And I still think that we're going to correct. So I do have that trade open still, which is crazy. Just yesterday, we are most likely going to continue to dip. I don't think, even though we had this little, resurrection in XRP to the upside here, I don't think it is going to last. You could see I pretty much shorted this. I thought we were right here going to correct. I still think we are, even though we had this reversal up. I still think we're going to make up for it and cause this correction to take place. But you can take advantage of the BYDFI bonus money. And even if you're down it and you lose some of it, it literally doesn't matter because it's not your money. So it doesn't matter if you lose trades because it's not even yours. So it's great when you are using somebody else's money to trade with here. Anywho, moving forward and wrapping up today's video here, that's XRP. Solana also is hitting a bit of a resistance point here, most likely going to cause for correction. We have something like Ethereum, which is insane. I mean, this is getting so close to the wire now. This is something we've been tracking for who knows how long, and now we're hitting this. More than likely, correction is going to come, but as we fill this gap in, we're going to get very close to needing to make a decision, and most likely that decision is going to break us in either direction. Hopefully it's bullish, but lots riding on the markets to jump here. However, these do have bullish tendencies, so there's a big possibility of that. But regardless, I don't even care which direction we're going to move to. The second we get that confirmation clearance, that's when we'll be buying in and longing, or buying in and shorting. It is literally that simple. That's how easy this is. So this is a huge, easy technical textbook indicator that we can pay attention to on Ethereum. Bitcoin is just now seeing today breakthrough here, which is another good sign of possible breaks to the upside here. We'll see how that pans out. Stock market is consolidating inside here. I'd likely think that we're going to continue to scale downwards, but anything can happen at this point. But with that being said, smash the like button, guys, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.